Hello, hello. Okay. So, we're gonna start out by trying to actually make the gun fire. So the current state of the game, we have the firing animation. The player can throw the gun, but then the gun in their hand doesn't go away. They can also aim. That was a big thing we did. They can aim, they can throw the gun, and the gun doesn't go away. So we need to do that. And we also need to make sure that the player actually fires something, because right now they fire not even a blank. Just nothing. Nothing at all. For some reason this is not working. It's very weird. Because I'm setting it to no sprite. So I'm setting it to... Whoop, whoop. Yeah, I'm setting it to a completely different sprite. And it's just not working. I'm not exactly sure why, because it has a sprite render on it, right? Yeah. Has a sprite render on it, but it's still not functioning as it should. Because we're setting the sprite, and then setting the sprite to something different here. What if we set it to like this? Not that it would change anything, but... Okay, let's see. Nope. Oh, I know why. It's because it's constantly in the pistol idle animation. Oh, okay. So what I think I actually need to do is make another animation. Instead of doing this, what I can do is, yeah, change the animator trigger. Okay. I don't need to reference the sprite render anymore. We're just gonna have to make an animation that has no sprite. So, animations. Animation. Create a new, and this is going to be holding pistol animation. Or just no pistol animation. Okay. And for the no pistol animation, we want the sprite render sprite to be none. How can I do this? I think I just need to make a blank sprite. Excuse me, sorry. Let's just go into a sprite. File, new. Yeah, 16 by 16. I'm just going to file, export as blank 16x16. Why not? Okay, there we go. Now it worked. Now if I go into art, and I drag in my blank 16 by 16 image, then it should work. Okay, so we have blank. No, it's black, isn't it? Wait, no it's not. No, we're good. Yes, RGBA 32. apply. It's only a single sprite. Apply that. And should be everything. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to set the sprite to this both times. Now if I bring this out here, then yeah, now the sprite is blank 16 by 16. So I just need to end the animator, actually create a transition for that, so make a transition real quick. This really does not need exit time either way. Okay. Get the animator back in. So I just need to make sure that there is no exit time so it doesn't do anything super weird. Right here I need to set a trigger, which is going to be no pistol. And then, actually wait, I think it actually needs to be a pool, and has pistol. So then, when has pistol equals false, then when it equals true, we can go back to where we were. So when we don't have a pistol, we're going to go to the no pistol animation, which is just a blank sprite, and then we grab a pistol again, we set this to true, and then it'll go back to the pistol idle animation. So we'll be holding a pistol. So now I just need to change that pool, which is going to be animator.setPool, oops, false. It's going to be has pistol. And then I need to set that true when we get a pistol, so oops. Yes, has pistol is true. Let's start. Okay, perfect. And now we no longer have a pistol, so we're not holding anything. Very good, very good. Okay. So we have throwing the gun basically completely done. Now we just need to be able to fire a bullet. We currently have the fire animation, but we don't have anything actually coming out. I'm thinking about just making a really small square, just for testing purposes. So that'd be like 0, 0. It's like 0.25, 0.25. That's actually still too big. Let's go 125. That's still pretty massive. What's half of this? 0.675. 0.675. Okay, I'll change the color of this to something more like... That works for me. That is super bright though. Just a little bit less. Maybe a little bit more red. Okay, that works. Let's add a trail render to this. Which are always quite difficult to actually figure out. Edit key. I want this to be 0.0675. Yes. Oops. Because this way it should stay the same size when we move it. Yes. It just looks horrible right now. Oh no. Let's do like 0.2. Yeah, that works better. We'd actually add the default line material, but it's gonna look like trash. Okay, there we go. Let's have it taper a little bit. Like that. That looks good. And now we need a rigid body on this, so we're gonna get a rigid body 2D. Also need to change the color of this. Oh, stop it. Okay. So we're gonna start the color at this, and then we're probably gonna go something a little bit more like yellow. Like that. Oh, oops, other way. I had to flip those values. Okay. Set this right here. Set that right there. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas. Now we're thinking with portals. Maybe even 0.2 is, like, quite a bit. This gun, like, the bulge is gonna go like that. Let's go like 0.05. Just half it every time. No, I think 0.1 is fine. Okay. And stretch, that's fine. Eh. I'm not even using lighting. I don't know why I'm messing with these settings. I don't need to. Okay. So we have the rigid body. Now we just need, like the throw pistol, we need a bullet script. Bullet. Okay. And this is just going to be... Yes. Drag down to the bullet. I'm basically just going to steal most of the code from the throw pistol because... Yeah, let's just... like all that. Basically the same thing, just a projectile. I'm thinking with portals. What if I just had a, like, catch-all projectile script? Because that's basically what this is doing. Yeah, let's actually do that. Projectile force. Oh, I need to rename this. Just going to call it projectile force. This is going to be lifetime after hit. That's fine. I need to rename these. This is just going to be destroy timer. For destroy after hit timer? Yeah, let's destroy after hit. And I don't need a throw vector. I need the projectile velocity vector. This would be times the projectile force. Perfect. And then I need to rename this to projectile. Okay. Where's our throw gun prefab? Add the projectile script. Move it up here. It was at 30 and 2. Remove component. Perfect. Well, not perfect. It's gonna error everything, but... Didn't error anything. That's not supposed to happen. Should have errored something at the very least. But now we have a generalized projectile script, so that's gonna be a lot better when I want to add, like, other bullets, or other guns, or things like that. Or maybe, like, ragdoll physics, I could use the projectile. Oh, it's because the script still exists. I seem to get rid of the throw pistol. And then wait for Unity to do its thing. Yep. There we go. There are the errors I was looking for. Yes. Let's go projectile. And projectile instance script. Projectile instance script. Copy that. Okay, I'm actually gonna create a function right here, which is create projectile. And we're just going to do this. And we're gonna call the create projectile script function. We're gonna pass this in. Oops, there we go. And then we need to do the same thing when we fire the gun. So we want to create a projectile rotation vector, and then I need to take in a rotation vector. And vector 2. Did I spell that wrong? Yep. Rotation. Not rotation. Rotation. Okay. I think it's the aim script that's calling these. Why is it still called throw? That's not good. Rename fire projectile? That's probably fine. Okay. Firing the projectile in the pistol script. Where is that? Yep, fire projectile. Perfect. And... wait, why are there two references to this? Huh? There should only be one. Ah. There we go. Okay. And now, fire pistol, I need to get the rotation vector, which I'm doing right here, but okay. One moment. Okay. This should be fine. Oh, wait. Also want to fire it with an offset. Also have a vector 2 offset? And then I can add that to the transform. Yeah, transform dot position plus equals offset. Why is this a problem? Ugh. Okay, now in the fire projectile script. Pistol. And to get a... Whoa, oops. First of all, don't need that anymore. But I do need a public game object bullet prefab. And then above those, I also need a vector 3, which is going to be our bullet fire offset. Relative offset. Okay, then... Ooh. Vector 3 offset. Vector 3.0. And then bullet fire relative offset. And then we want to put the offset in here. It's really a relative offset more than anything else. Drop that in there. Perfect. Pistol, I need the bullet offset. Let's get the arm, like, straight, and then I can actually get an answer for that. Like 9. Oops. 09? 5. It's 17, 16, 18. 17 seems to work the best. Okay. Whoop. Layer pistol bullet. And we're gonna put it on the player layer so that doesn't collide with the player. It would be funny if the player could somehow shoot themselves, but probably not good. It would probably not be good. Okay, so let's just copy this. Go to the pistol. Paste that. Why not? Because it would lead to some problems. I suppose it would maybe be funny. I don't know, maybe. VR allows it? Yeah, but it's kind of different. That's a little bit different. Okay, and then I need to give for this the bullet prefab. It would be kind of funny if the... What? Oh, oops. I left the bullet in here. The bolt does have the projectile script, right? Just doesn't have any projectile force. Let's go with like 50 and... Let's go with like 0.5. What? That's not right. Huh? Did I... No? What? Okay, first of all, oops. Second of all, what? Oh, I know what the problem was. Oops. I need the game object projectile. Okay. And now I need to pump that into the scripts. Throw pistol prefab, and this needs to be the bullet prefab. Yes, perfect. Now it should work instead of throwing 2 guns. It worked. It worked. That's awesome. Wow. First of all, forgot to give the bullet a box collider. Actually, let's make it just a circle collider. That's fine. Yeah, it's a little itty bitty circle collider. Well, you know, you wish you worked. You can work. You have that option. Let's also give this throw gun physics material, because then it'll bounce. I have to have a job, also medically proven broken? I don't think that's how that works. The government pays me every month because they broke me. You're not broken. You gotta stop talking bad about yourself, man. It's not good for your psyche. Hey, what is the pistol on? 1? Yeah, 0's probably fine. Yeah. I'm stating facts. No. I disagree. Because you were wrong. What are you gonna do now? Idiot. Didn't see that one coming, did you? The great me is never wrong. The great you is wrong right now. This moment. Bask in it. Bask in it. This is going, like, surprisingly well. We got our bullet. Life is good. Let's... Wait, where's the bullet? Yeah, let's freeze the rotation. Don't jinx it. Cause I think the moment is now in the past. Well... That means it happened. That means it's not never. Oh, oops, I accidentally buffered my fire input. That was silly. Okay, so now we have the gun firing, and then the player is holding absolutely nothing. Now we just need to do, like, gun picking up. Past never happened, and the future never happened. There's only now. Getting too philosophical for me, man. I need to focus on game development. Not a deep philosophical discussion. Yeah, there's something called Last Thursdayism, which I think is just very funny. It's the idea that, or maybe it's Last Tuesdayism. It's one of them. It's the idea that the world could have been created last Tuesday, and none of us would know. All of our memories were injected. Everything is all fake. Doesn't matter. We'd never know. Could even happened 3 seconds ago. Game development is very philosophical. It can be. I mean, I suppose, but like, eh. Ground pistol. And then I need to change this to, where's the art? I have a solution to the gun flying away? I want the gun to fly away. That was the intention. Gun flying away is good. Seems to be 1.5. 1.5. Then I'm gonna have 2 box colliders. Make the character hold it tighter. No. No, I don't think I will. Ah, no, wait. Come on. Yeah. 0.8? Nope, 0.08. That fits well enough. Oh, it's 0.95. Ugh, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. It's still just a little bit off. OCD be damned. Minus 0.2, 0.02. Seems to be like just a little bit smaller. 6, 7. At least there's an asset for this that auto-generates these colliders. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do this manually. I am glad that this exists. Oh, 9.5? Yes. 9.5. And just scale that down a little bit. And we're gonna move it up a little bit. Like 8. Perfect. 0.1. Nope, 0.01. Yeah, let's go like 0.5. Perfect, that works. And now if I just add a rigid body, 2D, and give it a little bit of throw gun. That means an asset does this, even this for you? Really? I don't know if it works in the current unit version though. I know it. I own it because I needed it for something ages ago. Okay, well. I don't think I want the player actually on that, so what I think I'm gonna do is just have like a pickups layer and then put that in there. Is there a way that I can... I don't want the player to interact with pickups. But I do... Well, I don't want them to, like, collide with them? Cat stole my mouse. That's pretty funny. I don't want them to collide, but I do want it to, like, be able to pick up. Select the trigger on the collider. Well, then they wouldn't fall. They wouldn't have collision with the ground. I want them to collide with the ground and then be able to interact with the trigger for the player. I don't know if that's possible, though. It has to be, right? Unity. Oh. Collide. Collide with trigger, but not collider. How can you detect but still physically ignore collisions? I am wanting to detect all collisions in my world, but in some cases, I only wish to be notified. Have the objects pass right through. It's called triggers. Triggers and layer collisions are, you cannot unhappen it. Words of wisdom. Will it still collide with a raycast? That's my main question, honestly. Let's go to the arm. Player aim. Let's get a raycast hit 2D. We're gonna call that hit, and then we're going to get a physics 2D dot raycast. What? Give the gun a child object that has an exact copy of the colliders on a different layer. I guess that would work. Yeah, that would work. Yeah, that would work. I do good brain thing. You do good brain thing. Okay, ground pistol. Create empty, and this is just going to be pick up trigger. Let's make a circle collider. That's pretty big. Is trigger. Layer default. Perfect. Pistol. Pick up. Okay, awesome. And I can just tag that with pistol pickup. That means I'm gonna have to get the player script. I think I might just create another script and then have that be like the pickup manager. Yeah, like that. Let's create a script in player. It's going to be pick up manager. We're gonna add that to the player the second that Unity reloads its dang domain. Okay. And... if you were a potato product, which one would you be? Let me think on that. Heyo, how goes? It goes good! How are you doing, Adam? If I were a potato product... ooh, hash brown. Absolutely hash brown. Hash browns are so good. Which type? I didn't know there were multiple types of hash browns. Like, real stringy type. Not like the cake of hash browns. Oh, yuck? You are so silly. You've not had the hash browns I have, okay. All good, hit a milestone of my latest for fun project. Oh, nice, what's that? Was the milestone? Okay, so we're adding a collider here. Let's pick up manager. Where are you? Pick up manager. Literally all I need this to do is get a private, oops, private circle collider. Outer Wilds has been floating around my head, so I've been curious about simulating a solar system with physically accurate orbits. That's really cool. Like, how far along are you? What do you have done? I would actually love to see that. If you can send me like some screenshots on Discord or something, that'd be really cool. So collider, and then I'm mildly annoyed at the project I took on recently. Why are you mildly annoyed? What happened? Recently hit a point where I'm able to set up planetary orbits around the sun and moons around planets within that system. That's really cool. Are you trying to like turn this into a game, or are you just experimenting, or? Okay, then we're gonna do on, trigger enter 2D, and now if col.tag or game object dot tag, that's what it is, equals pistol pickup. Speaking of Outer Wilds, music. Oh man, Outer Wilds is such a good game. It's truly something you can only experience once. What did I... Yep, pistol pickup. Kind of both. Has been an exploratory project to determine whether a golf game based in space is viable. That sounds really cool, actually. I'm just imagining, like, you're on the moon, and you just have to, like, really, really pile drive your ball all the way, like, into orbit for a hole-in-one. Oh, man. That'd be really cool. I don't know if anyone has done anything like that. I don't even know if they're, like, sick trick shots around planets and moons. That'd be so cool. Like, the idea for that is awesome. I don't know how easy that is to make. That sounds really hard. Yeah. Bear. So, the Scripter Geek invited me to a project that he wants to make with a custom engine, and I told him that I would try it at least once. So this is me making good on that, though I sent him a test build of initial functionality that draws a window and plays sounds. Of course, the sound I've used in the test is Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up, but he hasn't tested it yet. I haven't succeeded in rickrolling him. Oh man. That's really good. And Adam said, I'm learning that realistic physics are not particularly viable for something like that, but it's been super fun to play with at least. Yeah, can't imagine that'd be too easy, but the idea for that is really fun. Okay, back to what we were doing. So, pistol pickup. And then... where am I actually managing this? The pistol animator. Okay. So I need to get a reference to the pistol. So I can get... who said easy is good? I like building games that are impossible for players to play. I don't... you know, I have a game for you. I have a game for you, actually. If you like making games that are impossible for players to play, there's a game called Beginner's Guide. I will tell you nothing, you should play it. It's up on Steam. It's made by the same guy who made the Stanley Parable. I actually initially hated the game. Like, I played through it, and I thought it was horrible. And then I decided to think through my thoughts. And I decided to write down a little bit, and then I ended up writing a 2,000 word essay on how much I liked the game. I, like, actually talked myself into liking it. Because when I first finished it, I was like, wow, that was so interesting and weird, and yeah, I don't know if I liked it. But then I started thinking about it more, the cogs started turning. I started liking it more and more. Okay, so I need a reference to the pistol. It's so goddamn clever. Yeah, it really is. Really enjoyed the game. But I heard a lot of people talk about it, like in the game dev community, as if it was another game like Outer Wilds. Which, the second that I hear anything that remotely gives off Outer Wilds vibes, I buy it and play it immediately. So, it was basically a requirement. I had to. Oh, I need to get component in children. Yes. Get component in children. Perfect. I don't actually think I have any way to reset the gun right now. Gun, pistol. My cat thinks she's clever. She came over, grabbed my mouse, and now ran off with it. I won't give it back. You know, it is kind of... it's a little bit funny that your cat took your mouse. Just me? Why am I getting the player aim script? Oh, it's because I thought I... oops. Because I thought I needed it. But instead I'm just passing the rotation, so I don't need it. Nope. Public. Cool. Set has pistol, or hold pistol? I don't want to get pistol, I want to... Set has pistol. True. That's what we're going with. IntelliSense. I literally wrote it out here. Goodness gracious. And then I need to set this to true. Oh, I don't want a public pool. I want this to be a void. Okay. And that's pistol. Don't think I need to do anything else because this is just gonna set the animator back to the pistol idle. What am I doing when I get rid of the pistol? I'm just setting this to false. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah. So I just need to do pistol script. Dot. What did I name this? Set pistol true. Perfect. Why not just make it a proper setter? Set pistol and just pass in the bool? Because I'm never gonna need to set pistol false. So I don't see the point. Okay. Now if we look over the pistol, what should happen is whenever we fire the pistol, we're gonna fire the pistol, then we're gonna no longer have a bullet, so we're gonna throw it, then we're gonna lose our pistol because we threw it, when we pick up the pistol, we're gonna go back to the idle and we can do it again. Wait, I also need to set has bullet true. Yes. Wait, not has bullet, has bullet. It's true. Perfect. And then I should be able to... Yeah, we should be good. Just a reset pistol, that's what I was gonna call it. Actually, I'm gonna rename it. Wait. Rename. Reset pistol. Perfect. Acquired my mouse. I traded treats for my mouse. The deal is done. And now I have another pistol. Oh, that's a problem. The pistol's still on the ground. I didn't even think about that. Yep, okay. I need to destroy that. Yeah, and then we're just going to destroy... Not Circle Collider. Oops. Game object. Nah, infinite pistols. Probably not good for a pistol pickup. It's not working. Oh no. It's because the pistol... This is what it's getting. It's getting the trigger. I need to destroy the parent. If I destroy the parent, is it going to destroy the child? Well, that's a parent. Yeah. Transform dot parent dot game object. Hopefully it destroys the children. Don't take that out of context. Hopefully it destroys the child game object. It does, I think. I'm pretty sure it did. Where actually is this? Did I throw this off the map? I did. Okay. Yep. Awesome. Okay. I should probably set like a hard limit to how long the projectiles can survive. Public float max lifetime. And when we wake up, I'm just going to set my numerator. Oh, oops. Oh, wait, that's gonna be a problem. Because whenever you destroy an object that's currently doing a coroutine, Unity gets really mad at you. This is coming along really well? Yeah. I'm quite happy with the progress we're making. I think I just need to set timers and then do it through the update function. Yeah. Private update. What? Oh, private void. Private void. Update. Perfect. Okay. So... we're just gonna set a private Float. Current lifetime. And current lifetime is just going to plus equal time dot delta time. Damn it, I can't clip it short enough to take it out of context. Good, good. May Twitch spite you. Okay. And then if current lifetime is greater than max lifetime, then I want to destroy the game object. Or, okay, and that would be else if, oops. I think I'm gonna need another private float. Hit time, and then hit time equals current lifetime. I'm gonna set this to 0, set this to 0, and then if hit time does not equal 0, or if it does equal 0, then I want to set it. Otherwise, I'll just let it be. So hit time, so then we need to do if current lifetime minus hit time is greater than lifetime after hit. And if that's true, then we also want to destroy it. So what I can do instead is just add an or statement, and we're good. So if the current lifetime exceeds the max lifetime, or the current lifetime minus the hit time is greater than... Oh, no. I just need to set a bool. Yeah. I was hoping to not set a bool, but I need to. Private bool has hit equals false. And I just need to set has hit equal to true. Who made you this way? Bear, who made you this way? I need answers. After hit lifetime plus equals time dot delta time dot delta time, and then we're going to set an if statement, which is if after lifetime is greater than... I don't need to be doing this in the update function. It's gonna be after it. Yeah, lifetime after hit. Then we're gonna destroy it. I'm actually gonna move all of this to the fixed update, and then just do fixed delta time, because the fixed update is not going to run as often. So it should not be as hard on performance, and we're barely losing anything. It truly does not matter. like barely losing any precision. I'd say I'm dad, but I'm a dad without a child. You cat. You're cat dad. What did I just do? Yes, this. Okay. Where's the script? Max lifetime, let's do like 10 seconds. No, cat is an emotional support animal. She's more like an employee. And you pay her with treats? I'm gonna be honest, cats own us. I don't think that we own cats. I think it's likely the other way around. This should not be alive for 10 seconds. That's ridiculous. Only after she steals my property. Why did the bullet go through that? What? Oh no! Continuous. I had the rigid body set to discrete, which means that it was happening every other physics frame, which, yeah, allows for things to go through things. Not good. Ugh, okay. Where is my debugger? I want to add another thing to it. Header. Pick up. Spawning. Public key code, and this is going to be pistol spawn key. And then the update function. Yeah. Pistol spawn or input dot get key down. Pistol spawn key. Then we want to public game object. Oh, ground. Pistol pickup? Yeah, pistol pick up prefab. Enable pickup spawning. Okay, what do you say? Only after she steals my property or threatens to suffocate me to death. I wish reality was set to discrete collision checks for everything but the ground. You wanna like no clip out of reality, you're gonna go to the back rooms, man. You don't wanna be there. It's not a good place. Okay. If... What did I name this? Nope. Nope. Enable pickup spawning. Yes. No more human interaction. Sounds incredible. I disagree. Yeah, I'm just saying. You're here voluntarily. You're interacting with humans. No one's forcing you to be here. I need to initiate Initialize. Is that what it is? I cannot spell. Wait, what? Am I losing my mind? Instantiate. It's called instantiate. Goodness gracious. Okay. Pistol spawn key at... I also want to get the mouse position. Ugh. Let's go camera dot main dot screen to world point, and then we're gonna do input dot mouse position, and then we're gonna do quaternion dot identity, and everything will be all right. What is the problem? What is this not like it? The type Unity Engine key code cannot be used as a parameter. Okay. If I do vector 3, or like vector 2, mouse pause equals this, and then I do a mouse pose. Are you good? What is your problem? Oh, I'm so silly. Round. Oh, what did I call the dang prefab? Pistol pickup prefab. There we go. I was wandering Dublin a few weeks back and happened upon the bridge where the fundamental formula for quaternions was discovered. That's really cool. I wish that I lived around more places like that. What? No! No! Where did it just send me? Oh my goodness. Okay. I wish I lived around more like historic places. Up in Alaska we have like, at least in my area, we have like the Iditarod, which is pretty historic. We have a lot of Alaska Native history, which is awesome by the way. But what do we have? We don't have anything that like affected the globe. Like quaternions are pretty important. Like the spot Russia invaded North America? I guess, but that's like so far from where I live, at least. Okay, this should... Where the debugger? This should be okay. I just need to set the spawn key. So let's go to debugger, and we're gonna pick up spawning. I want to set it to like sure, we'll set it to minus. Actually, the Russians spent a decent amount of time in this area-ish. Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't assign the prefab. That makes sense, because there isn't a prefab. Oops. Anyway, this is prefab. Where are you? And then I also was destroying it way too far. Okay, so what I actually need to do is get... Yeah, so if it is if it has that tag, then I also need to get pistol dot... No! Pistol script, come on. Pistol script dot get as pistol. And if it is, we do not have a pistol. Don't know why I can't type today. Typing's hard, man. I tried to get better at typing. Like, I was practicing my typing speed quite a lot, but I was just an absolute disaster. Like, some days I was typing at like 100 words per minute, and then the very next day I would type at like 50, sometimes even as low as 40, and I was just like, wow, I have no idea why I am so inconsistent. Just ask JavaScript and Python? What? Typing is very hard? Oh, yeah, okay. This exists? Where? Huh? Why is it invisible? How did that happen? It's there. Wait, why is it invisible? What? Typing is very hard. Bad joke, bad joke. I'm teaching my Florida family to play D&D while they're here. That's really cool. So I haven't to design a campaign. I have to design a campaign all within the next 4 hours. Good luck, brother. Why is the pistol just not visible? Wait, actually, what? It's visible here. Okay. Yep, totally visible. Spawn one? Just no longer visible. It's spawning in the right location, though. That's the weirdest part. Okay. I'm gonna take a quick 3-minute break, and then I'll be right back. So, set the timer. Alright, I will be right back. I'm back! Let me turn the music down a little bit. There we go. I've been thinking of, like, making ads for when I'm not... Like, when I need it away... Right now I just have owl gifts going. Like, if I go back to the away stream, I just have gifts of owls. But I was thinking about, like, making ads. My own ads for, like, silly things. Just to have something playing when I'm away from stream. I don't know. I think it'd be a fun idea. I might try it. It'd be very hard to film them. I'd probably have to do it in the snow. That'll be fine. Show you the wonders of Alaska. Snow, cold. The mountains are beautiful. They're also snowy and cold, but... Speaking of which, happy solstice, everyone. We're gonna supposedly get more light now. At least in the northern hemisphere. Okay. Okay, I need to figure out why the ground pistols are not showing up. They're just completely invisible, which is very weird. Like, they don't have an animator on them, right? Nope. What could possibly be doing that? Never seen anything like that happen. Maybe it's a, like, continuous problem? Or, like, a problem to where they're falling through the ground? But that wouldn't make any sense. I don't know how. Like, the pistol clone is there. It exists. It just... can't see it. It's so weird. Okay, I instantiated. Okay, that's a game object. I set the vector 3. That's fine. Oh. Maybe that's too close to the camera? Yes, it is. That's the problem. So the problem is, this is getting the screen to world point, which is setting the Z to -10, and the culling mask on this is the minimum they can do is 0.3. So it's not displaying. That's why. That's why it wasn't displaying. Okay. I'd fix that. Vector 3. Mouse pose equals new vector 3. I can just do this, I think. And then mouse pose.c equals, I can do this, yes. There we go. And now it should work. We shouldn't be in the clipping plane anymore. There we go. And if I go over to the debugger and I get rid of that, then we're not spawning them anymore. Perfect. And I want to be able to spawn other pickups too, so I think I'm just gonna do this for future-proofing reasons. don't really want to get that every frame. That's fine. I'm going to extract this into its own function, which is going to be pick up spawning, extract method, pick up spawning. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have access to infinite pistols now. I also want to do another thing, but yeah, it's gonna be a little bit hard. What I was thinking about doing is letting the player throw the pistol, even if it has a bullet in it, and then when they throw the pistol, then they could, like when it hits something, it's gonna fire that bullet in the random direction. Just because it's silly. Like, or not in a random direction, but whichever direction the tip is facing. But I would have to set... I feel like it's technically possible. Let me try this. So if I, like, create an empty, this is gonna be bullet, fire, pivot, and then this is going to be, create an empty that's going to be the bullet, fire, position, and then in the animator, I'm going to rotate the bullet, fire, pivot. Okay, bullet fire position. It starts right here. That probably needs to be like, oh, oops. Let's go like 0.1, and then we're gonna go up a little bit. Like 0.13, that works. And then when I rotate this, oh, oops. I want to be able to see this. Wow, that is so big. Yeah, let's make this like, sure. So now when I rotate this, then I want it to like go positively, so I want to rotate like 0, and then right here I want it to be like 355. If I play this animation, good, that's exactly what I want. Perfect. That does mean I'm gonna need... I already have a type of projectile script. I'm gonna need a specifically throw pistol fire script. Or just, yeah, throw pistol fire script. I need to put that on the throw pistol. Okay, I have no idea what I'm referencing there. Okay. I also need the projectile script. Let's make a public void. Public void get as hit. Or not void, this needs to be bool, and we want to just return as hit. Return as hit. and then fixed update. If... Ooh, do I really want to... Yeah, no. I don't really want to check that every single frame. What I really want to happen is the second that this happens... Well, I guess I could just do this, actually. I don't need has hit to equal true. What I need to do is just fire a bullet. So we're gonna fire projectile. I need a reference to the bullet, so public game object bullet prefab. Do I need a reference to anything else? Yes, I need a reference to private game object. I need a reference to both the bullet fire pivot and the bullet fire position. Greetings. How are you doing, Darth? Public game object. Really just need a transform. And this is going to be pivot. And then public transform, and this is going to be fire position. We get the pivot in the fire position. And then what we want to do is we want to get a projectile. So we want to bullet prefab dot instantiate grid game shenanigans, sending you on Discord. Can't wait for the jam. Grid game shenanigans. Are you okay with me showing this on stream? This looks neat. Go for it. Okay. So this is what Darth is currently working on. Is this checkers, or... It doesn't quite look like checkers. Explain the game to me. It looks neat. Trying to cram as many game mechanics I can in the weeks until it. I'm very excited for the jam. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Just for context, me and Darth are on a team for the Pirate Game Jam. I'm very excited about it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. That down just a little bit. So fire position, the pivot. I need to put... Oh wait, I already have this on here, so... Yeah. Currently it's not a game. I want to make into shogi Japanese chess. Okay. Is it shogi or shogi? Never pronounce it correctly. Okay, prefabs. Bullet. Okay. Now I just need to fire the bullet, which I'm just gonna steal that from the gun script. Pistol. Right here. Okay. Projectile instance. Just gonna be the bullet prefab. Okay, that works. Rotation vector is going to be. I need to go to the aim script. Shugi is paper on screen. Shugi. Okay. Shuji is paper on screen. Honestly, I have no idea what that means. And I don't like that you just winked after that. I feel like I may have accidentally said something not good. Okay, so I'm getting the rotation vector here. Wait, oh, where are you? Right here. Okay, new vector 2. And there's no offset. So it's just going to be vector 3.0. And this is going to be the mouse position. What we actually need is going to be the pivot. And pivot. And this is going to be the fire pause. Paper screen, like, move. Oh! Paper screen. Fire pose dot. What? Oh, dot position. I was very confused. Did I spell position wrong? Yes! Oh, goodness. Okay, perfect. This should... It's either going to fire in the correct direction or the opposite direction. I mean, if I'm being completely honest, I don't even know if I'm going to notice the difference. Ah, that's not right. Oh, you know how I can notice the difference? The good old debugger script. Set the time augmentation. Also misspelled it. Shogi. Okay. Fire the bullet. It is firing in the correct direction. But it should not be at the transform position. It should be at the fire pose position. Yeah, but with an A, but with a hard G. Soji? Shoji. 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 There we go. It fires! That's so silly. Like guitar. Shogi. 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 Yeah, okay. I think that's right. Hopefully. Okay. It's firing correctly. It's just firing every time. Very silly. Okay. I just needed to do two different things at this point. Because I also need throw pistol script. I think. Yes. So yeah, we're just gonna do this. Yep. Offset. It's just gonna be vector 3.0, then rotation vector. That's all good. Let me just get rid of that. And then this needs to be the bullet relative offset. And the bullet prefab. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Hopefully that works. And instead of doing this, I need to get the instance. Oh, oops. Okay. I need a game object. Also, they have this line over the O, which means that you need to pull out the O sound. So it's like shogi. Shogi. Maybe? Shogi? Shogi? Yeah, and we're gonna do equal that. This is where we're gonna instantiate it, and then this needs to be the throw pistol instance, and then this is going to be throw pistol instance. Then I also want the throw pistol fire script. Public void set can fire, and I need a bool can fire. I'm gonna make a private bool here. Can fire equals false. Oh, private bool. Then your can fire equals underscore can fire, and then when we do fire, if can fire, then we're gonna fire, and then set can fire equal to false. Perfect. Okay, now I need to get to the throw pistol instance. Do I really even? I can just do this. That's fine. Bucket component. It's gonna be the throw pistol fire script. And then set can fire. We're going to set it to has bullet. And now I also need a private input action alt fire input. And we'll do the same thing that I did here. Whoa, oops. I'm gonna do Alt Fire. Alt Fire input. Not fire input started, but we want an Alt Fire input started script, or not script, but function. And I can just set that right here. Okay, so now if we Alt Fire, then we'll throw the pistol with a bullet in it. I just need to set up Alt Fire here. This is going to be Alt Fire. And we're going to set it to mouse right click. And then we're going to set this to gamepad. Left trigger. Yes, perfect. And that's saved. So now we should throw it with the bullet. Ah. Yep, okay. Forgot to put the alt there. And now we should be good. Wait, one moment. Adam sent this into the Discord. I want to read it real quick. Most famous graffiti in history of maths. Here, as he walked by the 16th of October, 1843, Sir William Rowan Hamilton, in a flash of genius, discovered the fundamental formula for quaternion multiplication. I squared equals j squared equals k squared equals ijk equals -1. And cut it on a stone of this bridge? Wait, really? It's 190 years since William Rowan Hamilton really put Ireland on the maths map by inventing quaternions. This is a four-dimensional number system with a highly useful property, as the order in which two quaternions are multiplied makes a big difference. We all know that 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, but quaternions do not follow this commutative rule. This breakthrough came to Hamilton on October 16th, 1843, as he walked with his wife, Helen, from their home in Dunsink Observatory along the Royal Canal towards a meeting at the Royal Irish Academy, which was then on Grafton Street. Famously, he spontaneously carved the corresponding key new equation which he had been struggling for some time to come up with on Broom Bridge in Canberra. That's really funny. Although no trace of his original act of vandalism, or of minor vandalism remains, a plaque commemorating his flash of insight has been there since 1958. That's really neat. Okay. Guy just wrote it on the spot. You know, if I invented the formula for quaternions, I would too, okay? I can't blame the guy. That's really funny, though. He should not care. think I'm actually gonna change the throw pistol animation a little bit. Where are ya? Animation. Because I kind of don't like it being... Like, it's accurate right here, and then it stops being accurate, like, every other frame it's inaccurate. Like, quite inaccurate. Yeah, so much so to, like, right here, that's completely inaccurate. So I think I'm just gonna manually set it, actually. Oh, wait, I just need that. I think I can actually just get rid of these. I don't need to edit any other rotation. That's fine. Oh, okay. Let's add a keyframe right here. I wish that I could... I guess if I do this... Yeah, that kind of works. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing, but it's kind of hard. So let's do right there. That looks relatively accurate. But let's just edit it a little bit. Right there. Right there. That is completely inaccurate. So yeah, let's do something like that. That's fine. Again, no. Let's... That's probably a little bit better. Oh wait, this is only happening for a single frame. Oops. Okay, let's change the rotation up a little bit like that. Oh, what? No, I guess that's fine. Although this should not be changing. We just stay at 312. What? No, I want it to stay at 312. Okay, there we go. Now it looks a lot more accurate. Let's push that back. Okay. The remaining allocations... What? Am I causing a memory leak? I don't even... How? What am I doing? Is causing a memory leak. What in the world? Diag. Job. Temp. Memory leak. Validation. Apparently that command does not exist. Huh. I don't know if I'm memory leaking or not, and I don't know how to even check. It's fine, probably. Sure hope. Wait a minute. That's not right. Why do I still have a gun? Yeah, that's a problem. Okay. I changed the animator on the pistol to have a transition over here. Gotten a few of those from the spray editor package in a project with no code written. Probably not worth worrying about. Okay, you could probably use the memory profiler to check. Yeah, I don't know why that would be happening. It's scaring me, man. If we do not have a pistol, then we should probably just go directly to the no pistol animation. Although I don't know, should I let the player just like... Because right now they could fire and throw within like 2 frames of each other, which is kind of ridiculous. It's definitely working now though, which is good. Yeah, what? What is wrong with this project? Unity! Stop! Dude, what is going on? It's time. It's time to restart Unity. It's my favorite part of the stream. The part where I have to restart Unity. Underscore Unity, underscore self, go burr. I don't know why it breaks. It's so weird. Also, why is it it looks like a Python constructor. Like, that's what it looks like is breaking, but I don't know why there would even be a Python constructor. Which is so weird. Out of interest, what Unity version are you using? I'm using 2023.1.9 F1, if I just move it down a little bit. This one. Oh, we up to date? Is there another version? Let me look. Installs, install editor. Oh yeah, they're... Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah, there are quite a few more. I should probably install those. It'd probably be for the best. Sorry, I meant you're relatively up to date? I mean, yeah, relatively. But still just breaking constantly, man. I don't know why. Also, one really annoying thing, I don't know how to get rid of the splash screen. Like, is it build settings? I think. Build settings. No. Player settings, there we go. Because I can't get rid of it. Yeah, they haven't released an editor yet that has that option unlocked. Why? Because you used to be able to do it through Unity Plus, but then they deprecated it? So now you're just stuck with it, I guess? I don't... Like, can I still get Unity Plus? Is that still a thing? Does it even exist anymore? Unity Plus... Really? There's Unity Pro. Only in Plus, I think? Yeah. Unity Plus doesn't even exist, I don't think. Dude, they have so much stuff. On-demand training. Published to game consoles. Wait, can you not export for game consoles anymore? Well, I don't have it installed, but... I don't know what they did. It doesn't even say that you can get rid of the watermark. You have to be able to, right? Like, certainly. I don't really like the $185 a month price tag. That is brutal, man. I mean, it's actually decently reasonable, but like, ugh. Always has been that way. I heard, wasn't Unity Plus, like, way cheaper? You pay anything to let you disable it. Well, I thought Unity Plus was cheaper, but that's okay. They nuked Plus after the whole install fee debacle. Well, when I release this game on Steam, I don't want the splash or anything. I'd prefer to just release the game, have my own splash. I don't want to advertise that I made a game in Unity. I want to advertise that I made a game. Okay? Okay. So we have the pistol pickup working. We're firing the gun. We seem to be punching. They've announced that going forward you'll be able to disable the splash screen for free. I'm guessing in Unity Plus. Yeah, that would also be my guess. But I don't know why, like, they just stranded everyone else with the splash screen. We've been banished to always use it. I don't even know if the Pro option would, because it doesn't even say that it will. I think Unity devs just may be stuck with it for a little bit, which totally sucks. But it is what it is, I guess. Okay, let's do the player punch. So, right here. What I basically want the punch to be is... Wait, where... Okay. So what I want the punch to be, if I can just get rid of the gizmos, I just want the player to... Disable that. Literally just, like, move their arm forward, like, really fast, and then go back. I wonder if I can do that in the animator? I feel like that would probably be the easiest way. Can you edit, like, colliders and stuff in the animator? Our studio was on the Pro plan. We had a build machine, which was the only machine with the Pro license, and we build via command line. Had no problems disabling the splash. Yeah, I'll do some more research into it. I might have to do something like that, or... I honestly just don't know. This is gonna be the first time I'm ever releasing a commercial game, so... I'm not super familiar with everything. I don't want to... I'll just do a capsule collider. If you're releasing before Unity 6 comes out, you could possibly get away with purchasing a 1-month license to get builds done. Yeah, I also don't even know if I'm going to use Unity 6. Still don't know why they called it that. Just kind of horrible name. But we'll see. Okay, so I have the capsule collider, and then I just have to add an animator, and I'm gonna go into my animations. And create an animator controller. Where are you? Come on. Going to be the arm pivot. Sorry, aim pivot. Okay, we got the aim pivot on there. I don't even know what they're like adding to Unity 6 to make it worth it. Besides the new pricing, which does Unity 2023 even use that? Because I know they said that you could keep the pricing model on the version you're using. It's just super confusing all around. And they also kept the like runtime fee, but now you have the option of doing the runtime fee or the like base 4%, which is just who in the world is ever going to calculate the runtime fee? Why? Why would anyone do that? Why do they even keep the option? Like, it's cheaper for probably no one. And even if it is, it's not worth the hassle. Like, I don't know why they're doing that. It's just so weird. Okay, arm pivot. Animator, perfect. I need to make an animation. Great. Arm punch animation. Enabled? Yes. And then no. Okay, then I also want to do the transform. Gonna be... Oh no, wait. I think I actually want to do this on the arm. Okay, rename arm. So if I do it on the pivot, then that's gonna cause problems. Just copy this. Okay. Copy component. Remove component. Paste component is new. Perfect. Ah, come on. Okay. Vertical. That works for me. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna instantly go to the arm punch. That's fine. Come on, man. Remove properties. Okay. I need to copy this. And then we're going to add it. And let's make this like 16. So frame 2, I want to move like a little bit back and then get started again. See, I'm gonna move. Let's move like way more back actually. Like, let's do like that. And then we're going to quickly punch out. So we're gonna go back really fast, and then forward really fast. I do not want this to be enabled at the start. We're gonna do way forward like that. Then I want to hold that for a little bit, then we're gonna go back. So honestly, I might even want to go like a little bit further. Like completely disconnect the arm almost. So this feels back here. Oh wait, I need to create an idle animation real quick. Otherwise we're gonna have a few problems. Arm idle animation. Perfect. And yeah, this just needs to be disabled by default. Just do an empty one? Is that an option? I don't think it is. Because then we have problems like that. Yeah. I think I'm just going to set the position from there to there. So we're going to do literally nothing. And then in the animator, this is going to be the... Nope. Wait, oh, that was right. Oops. There we go. Okay. And then make transition. Oh, oops. Make transition. This needs to have exit time. This is going to be the full animation. And then... this does not need exit time. And we need a trigger. Oh, oops, I don't want layers, I want parameters. And this is gonna be punch trigger. And punch trigger, we're going to activate it. Okay. Should work. Need to activate the punch trigger, so do you already have a reference to the aim pivot? No. I do a reference to the pistol script, but not the aim pivot. I think on the arm I'm going to create a punch script, so let's go scripts, layer, arm, or player punch, and we're gonna put this on the arm. Okay, we're gonna wait for the domain to load. Ugh, okay, come on. I really wish that domain trick worked. But I am using static events. It's causing problems. I might change it, but but it's the way I know how to do it and I like it. It's easy to look at. Okay, so I have the player punch script, and then I just need to get this in the aim script. And what about assembly? What? What about assembly? What are you talking about? Assembly scares me so bad. Like assembly definitions? I have absolutely no idea what you're on about, I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know if you're talking about the programming language assembly, or something else that I also don't know of. But the programming language assembly just scares me. I don't know why you would use it over something like C or C++, unless you're trying to flex. Or, I mean, could you make more efficient programs in assembly than you could in C? I don't think so. I think it's unlikely. Although probably. If you're like really, really, really good at assembly. Assembly definitions have always been a bit headache to me. Just a way to precompile certain parts of your code base. As I understand it, yeah, namespace and assembly definitions lower the compile time. Really? I can get rid of these things, I already looked into them. Yeah. Okay. Assembly definitions, and then... What was the other one? ASM def. Okay. And then also namespaces to... I know what a namespace is, but I didn't know that it would help you, like... namespace to save compile time. I have no idea how that works. Honestly, that's one of like the main things that I've gained from streaming. Is you guys just tell me so many things that I had absolutely no idea of. Like, I still need to look into Cinema Machine, but like I learned about the, what is it called? The Unity UI builder from Darth. I learned about the action curves or animation curves from Adam. Namespaces help with ASM defs, which help compile times in some code bases. But they ain't a silver bullet. Okay. Definitely gonna look into that, thank you. Yeah, I have been taught so much since I started streaming, and I very much appreciate it. Okay. Public. Void. Punch. Wait till you research Cinema Machine, or Cinema Machine, you'll love it. Will I? Cinema Machine seems... The way that you described it seems really cool, but also... I hope it's not super complicated. Even if it is. Okay, I use the Unity animator, alright? I'll be okay. Yeah, it definitely seems like a useful tool. I just need to do some more research on it. Okay, this is going to be animator.setTrigger. Some machine streamlines camera platforms and it's easy? Really? Okay, I definitely need to look into it. What did I call this? Animator punch trigger. And then I need to call that... Okay, the player aim? Here, private... Player punch. We're gonna put player punch script. I'm gonna call it the punch script. And then punch script equals kick punch open player punch. Perfect. Now I just need to punch. Now, if I set up everything up correctly, I should have a punch working. It works! Oh, that's not right. Where is the arm? That needs to be a trigger. There we go. Now it should work. Yeah, super, super easy and super powerful. Okay. The punch is working perfect. Sorry if you guys can hear people in the background. I try to set up my mic to not pick up any other voices, but sometimes something slips through. So the way that I have my mic set up, if I can move it right here. So when I am in front of it, directly behind it, then it'll pick up the audio. But the way that it's positioned is, so my door's right there. And if people are standing directly outside my door, but a little bit farther down the hallway, if they're talking super loud, you could hear them perfectly. Which is both a testament to the mic quality and also really annoying, but I haven't quite figured out a way to block that. I could actually just add like a shield back here that just completely blocks it. Like a foam shield or something, just to block the noise a little bit. Okay. But I didn't peak my mic by getting too close. RIP headphone users. Okay. So we're punching. That's good. And then we should stop punching whenever we pick up a gun. So, whoa, there we go. Okay, we start punching. Awesome. We should be able to punch anything unless it's like, actually, let's see. If I go to the scene view and then click on the player and Shift F, scroll in. With the arm. I should still be able to hit something that's like directly above us. It's just gonna be a lot harder. And if an enemy's in front of us, we can punch him to death. Wait, why is it? Focus! Shift F. Come on. Okay, punch. It's all coming together. Spawn a gun. This is going way better than I ever expected. at us go. I'm so amused with myself right now. Whee! It's so satisfying watching you crank out mechanics. I'm glad it's satisfying. Whoa, that gun went way far. I'm glad that you guys enjoy watching, because I enjoy having you guys around. I learn a lot. It breaks up the monotony of sitting there at my screen typing for 4 hours. Or someone comes into my room and then I look at them like a vampire because I've had my lights down. Just, yes. What do you need? My voice is all raspy. I forgot I didn't turn on my light. My lighting is not proper. There we go. I have a rim light right there. Just had a thought. You're adjusting the gravity scale during the jump, right? Yes, I am. Is that the global gravity scale? Will it affect the gun trajectory? No. I am... So if I go into the jump cut script, I'm getting the rigid body, and then I'm changing the gravity scale of the rigid body. As funny as it would be if I changed the global gravity scale. Oh man. Wait, I didn't even know that you could edit the global gravity scale and... Wait. Gravity. How do you do that? I didn't even know you could increase all of them? Wait. I actually have no idea what caught you. Physics dot gravity? Oh! Whenever anyone does... What? Twitch just does not like periods. I don't understand. Okay, Physics 2D dot gravity equals 500. Now I'll feel like it's already at 20. Let's do like 40. Oh, vector 2 dot down times. There we go. Yeah. Wait, does that mean that I could have like horizontal gravity? Oh, the amount of stupid things I could do with this information. Oh, dude, yeah, no, that falls like a rock. And there we go. Oh man. That's very funny. That's very funny. I never knew you could do that. That's awesome. Okay. Okay. Kinda, this is pretty much everything that I had planned. It feels really good. Which is awesome. Like, everything feels really good so far. Now I just need, like, enemies to kill. Actually, one thing that I want to do. No more plans? Do you have a moment to talk about Lord and Savior Cinema Machine? Why don't you come in? We can have some tea. Lord and Savior Cinema Machine. Oh man. One thing that I kind of want to do, just because it would be funny and cool, is whenever you throw a gun, I want it to, like, if it doesn't have a bullet, I want it to stick in. That would be silly. No, maybe... Because, like, the gun, like, just stick into the wall if it's going too fast. That would be really silly. Doing it. Doing it! I have to open up a sprite and make all the sprites, though, so wait. Yes. I'm just gonna duplicate this, actually. Pistol throw animation. And now I'm gonna rename this to pistol wall sprites into wall sprites. That's what I'm gonna call it. And I'm just gonna get rid of all of these bits. Because it doesn't really make sense for them to have, like, action lines. And then... File, export, sprite sheet. Output file, yes. Okay. Oh, I should probably call it something like... Fire pistol into wall sprite sheet. Pistol into wall sprite sheet. Okay. I've been really putting off writing the game design document. Or even just like having any focus direction. Because I like to have an idea and then just experiment with it, just do a bunch of stupid things, and then if it works and it feels good, then I'll write a game design document and actually like expand on it. Unless it's a game jam game, then you're pretty much set in. You make a usually very scrappy game design document and then hope that everything works. Ooh, one thing I could do, I could mess with the Unity particle system and add like firing particles from the gun, and then I could also add like, ooh, I should add particles. Yes, yes. Oh. I was like, wow, this looks horrible. That's because it's anti-aliased. I wonder if I can make a plugin or something to automatically format. Like if I can just like right click and then click like format to pixel. I like order, tables, flow, charts, timetables. I swear Unity has an A-sprite importer. Really? This is an option? The entire time. This is there. I had this option. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's okay. I can't believe that I... What? Wait, why is it formatted so weird? Wait, what? Huh? Wait, what? Wait, why does this, like, not work properly? Just no offset. 3 rows and 3 columns? This isn't right either. This is so weird. What? Wait, why is... No, ugh. Stop. It's just... Why is it think that it's 21 by 21? Is that what I set this to? Wait, this might be my bad. File, open, No, this is definitely 16 by 16. It's trimming it not to 16 by 16. When I do 16 by 16, it doesn't work. Professional software, yeah. What in the world? Okay. Dude, I thought that you just revolutionized my workflow. It's so close. Unity does have an A-spread importer. It just doesn't work properly. That tracks. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. But no. No. Color me shocked. Unity, Unity, Unity. Okay. Maybe the axis of motion is not centered? I don't know. I've been doing it this way. I'm gonna keep doing it this way. Maybe I'll experiment it with more off-stream, but for now, it's alright. We'll live. Okay. So, pistol in the wall. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. Because what I want, let's just, like, drag this in. And 1.5, 1.5. I want it to be, like, a little bit into the wall. Like a pixel or two, like 2 pixels into the wall, let's say. And it's just stuck in there. So, when I throw a pistol, I think I'm gonna need to destroy it, and then instantiate this object at the position that it was, with the correct sprite. Okay. Because what I think I'm gonna do... Wait, nope. Where is throw? Because this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I think I can do is... maybe use a... like, get the name and then take a substring of that. Or just get, like, the last character in the index. Because strings in C# are still handled as char arrays, right? Because if I can get the last char in that array, then that should be the number here. And then, depending on that number, I can just have an array of these, and then I can set the sprite to one of these. Wait, what if I change... Mm. It works for most of these, besides, like, this one. That would look a little bit silly. Okay. So, where is my script? Gun, throw pistol, on collision enter, if can fire, else. Then we want to instantiate a different game object. Let's do public game object pistol in wall prefab. I want to do the pistol in wall at our transformed opposition with just standard quaternion.identity. We actually want to have a little bit of an offset plus new vector 3. I can just do because I'm gonna have to have a script for... Yeah, I'm gonna need a script for the gun anyway, the pistol and wall. So... pistol in wall. And I want a public float lifetime, and then public vector 3 offset. And then I don't think I need to do anything at the start, no. But in the fixed update, so private void fixed update, we're going to want to add time.fixedDeltaTime, and then, oh wait, nope, not to that. I want to have a private float current lifetime, total lifetime. We're just gonna increase current lifetime by fixed delta time every fixed update frame, and then if the total lifetime is less, or just, let's just do if current lifetime is greater than or equal to total lifetime, then we want to destroy game object. And at the start, we want transform dot position to plus equal offset. Just gonna rename this to spawn position offset. Perfect. We call it in wall pistol. We're gonna add the pistol and wall script. Total lifetime, let's go like 2. You can. Ooh, I should have like a fade out effect with the animator. So let's say that it hits like right here. Let's do the spawn offset of like 0.2. That's gonna be quite a bit actually. Let's do like 0.1. And also need a public void set sprite. And then I need an int for the sprite index. Then I want a public array of sprites. So we can do this. It's going to be, yeah, sprites works. I need to get the sprite renderer. Private sprite renderer. Start, we want to get that component, and then sprite renderer dot sprite equals sprite index. Perfect. And now we just need to call it and get the current sprite. So pistol in wall. Actually, no, I can just get the component right here. So, get component, pistol and wall, and then we can call our set sprite. And do I have access to my sprite renderer? No. Let's get that real quick. Private sprite renderer. Set that in the start function. Come on. Sprite renderer. Main int sprite index equals sprite renderer dot name. Oh wait, dot sprite dot name. How to... Actually, wait, can I just... It's either going to... Wait. Okay. Dot length. Dot... To... No, it's already string. Is there a parse function? Ah, okay. Convert string to int. Unity. Or actually just C#. But wait. There we go. Int.parse. Utility, there's a paste utility, I think. Wait, I think I got it. Int.parse. Not convert from char to y. Okay. Dot convert. What? Convert. Okay. Convert that. Okay. It's in system. Okay. And int. I mean, I really only need an int 16, but cool. Oops. Nope. I need int 32. No, what? Oh my goodness, there are 19 implementations. Actually, that makes complete sense. We did it! Hopefully this works. Alright. Thank you very much, Adam. Okay. And... I realized there are a couple of things that I didn't do. First of all, I didn't make this a prefab. That was my first mistake. Second of all, I didn't set the sprites here. And thirdly, I didn't set it in here. Where is the throw pistol? It needs to be in wall. And then the in wall, we need to add 7 sprites, I think. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Perfect. Okay. And then I also need to destroy... Wait, this is only happening in throw pistol fire. Wait, no, it's fine. But I need to destroy the game object. Destroy game object. Okay. If I implemented everything correctly, then that's gonna just explode. Ah, come on. Yeah. Okay. Forgot to do the -1. The length returns the number, but not from 0 to whatever it is. Okay, so it worked. Then it stopped working immediately. Hmm. Oh yeah, we'd absolutely love to have you, Adam. $50-53, what? What? Wait, why, what? Okay. Why is this not working properly? It's somehow finding a 5 in all of these? Hmm. Let's turn on the debugger, so then I can start pausing. Okay, so the throw pistol is right now at 3. Okay. It's getting 50. Here's what I really need. I need when this collides. Wait, no. Yeah. Prints the sprint, or the sprite index. I also want it to print the sprite. Sprite renderer dot sprite dot name. Something very wrong. Okay. Yield debugging. There we go. Oh, that's the char code? What? How do I convert that back? I don't... What? Dang it! Converting the char to an int, so essentially just tells you the index of the character in the UTF char map or something? Well, that's not what I want! To the specified Unicode character. I don't want to convert it, I want to parse it. But it wasn't working. Dang it. Could cast the char to a string before passing it to the... What would that even... What does it do for a string? Converts the specified string representation to a number of the equivalent 32-bit signed integer. So it does what I want with string. Okay. This is so cursed. This is so wrong. I can see why it would be useful to have the Unicode, but come on, man. 3, 3, 3, 3. That's what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. What? What do you mean it's not set to an instance of an object? This needs to be an awake. I see. That jam coincides with what I'm already doing, actually. Apologies. No reason to apologize, man. Gun in wall! We did it. The offset needs to be more, I think. Yeah, no, the offset needs to be far more. Did I ever even set the spawn offset? Yeah, let's go with like 0.5. That's maybe a little much. It works. We have a gun and a wall. Oh man, that's so silly. I'm so happy with this. Oh no. Oh wait. Oh, dang it. No. Wait. Oh, come on. We were so close to greatness. I need to get the vector of... Because right now, even if I do it like right here, that's not right. It needs to be an offset in the direction.
Hellnummer just followed.
Hey, Hellnummer, thank you for the follow. Yeah, it needs to be a... Also, yes! My follower goal widget worked. I spent 2 hours last night messing with CSS to make sure that that thing looked like that. I will never again do something like that, but it was so worth it. Maybe. I say I won't ever do it again, but I'm definitely gonna do it again when I think of something to do. Okay, what I actually need is the velocity vector, but when they collide, their velocity goes to 0. I found out recently Twitch has their own officially supported alerts box thing with CSS. No need for Streamlabs or Stream Elements. It's actually what I used. This is, like, the follower bar is the default Twitch follower bar. And then I just removed a bunch of elements in CSS. Let me show real quick. Okay, wait. Follower goal bar. And then I also have the background fill and everything. So if I can scroll down. Here is... I set the image to be invisible. I don't actually need this. Wait. And I set the text to be invisible. And then I add my own text, which I did through StreamerBot. If I could bring that over. And now I have all of these things. So I have this. And this just changes it to the follower count divided by a value that I set. Yeah. The only problem is I tried to do it based on the goal, but for some reason the API wasn't working properly, so yeah. I'll just set it manually. Okay. So I need to get the vector, the velocity vector, I don't know how... I shouldn't do it here, but I kind of want to. So I'm just gonna get the velocity vector. My guess is, because the player hits the wall, I'm gonna guess that they're gonna stop, or not the player, the throwing gun hits the wall. I'm gonna take a guess that their velocity just basically goes to 0. But we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna get RB. Do I not have access to the rigid body? Okay. Private. Rigid body 2D. RB. RB equals get component. Rigid body 2D. And RB dot velocity dot normalized. Right, and then I need to use that, and I need to transform dot position equals bell vector times what did I call it? Spawn position offset. Okay. So the throw gun, not the throw gun, the in-wall gun, let's do a spawn offset of like 0.3. That's not right. And I don't know exactly what just happened. Oops. Oops. That was the problem. What is the... what... like... Wait, what? Wait, why can't I do this? I hate you so much, Unity. Why? You know what I want to do. Ugh. Okay. Yes, I want the velocity vector dot x. And then I want 0. No, not vector 2, vector 3. Just every time, man. Drives me insane. We're bouncing, so... You know what? It works. Spawn a few guns. This is so silly. Oh, that doesn't look quite right. It looks good from that side, but it's only sometimes working. Why is it only sometimes working on the other side? I very much enjoy having these collide with each other, but not the player. Now it's working fine? Why does it only sometimes work? No! I need to know the order in which these happen. Order, unity, functions. Because what I really want is... Right now, what I think is happening is that the order that the on-collision enter function happens, I think it happens either before or after. I just need to just check. Fun fact, you can actually modify the execution order of functions. Really? Okay. Feels like one of those things that should never be done. Yeah, I don't know why you would, but... Where is... Fixed update? Oh, physics. Fixed update happens before on collision. I don't know how to make this work properly. I suppose it's possible. What I want to do is I want to get the velocity like right before this happens, but that would involve me like storing the velocity the entire time. Yeah. Actually, I don't know why it's inconsistent. I'm trying to think about it like an abstract, because... Let me open up Paint to explain my thought process. Like... So let's just say that, like, this is the box. And then we have our gun, like, right here. When the gun hits the wall, like, the collider happens. So, like, let's just say we have a circle collider. So when the circle collider hits it, then I don't know what happens to the velocity. I don't know if the velocity... So let's say, like, the velocity was like this. I don't know if the velocity continues like that, or goes, like it bounces, because we have the bounce. I guess there's one way to find out. If I remove throw material, if that's what was adding the bounce, then we might be able to, like, determine... Okay. Give me a mountain of guns. Okay, yeah. It is definitely the bounce. Because that's what's causing the problems. Because right now, the velocity is 0 when it hits something. or basically 0. So the gun, maybe the gun is going down, actually. Wait, let me see. Maybe. I'm gonna set the offset value to something like bonkers. Like, let's go like 2. Yeah. Because the velocity is going slightly down. What I really need is the velocity the moment before it hits. Here's what I can do. Oof, it's fine. Let's add a circle collider to this. That's just a little bit bigger. Or, yeah, just a little bit bigger than this. Actually, it can be on the same thing. I'm being silly. Because I'm gonna do an on-trigger enter call. So let's do 0-3 here. We can do an on-trigger enter in the throw. Yeah, so we can do private on trigger enter 2D. Then I'm going to get the velocity. So I need a private vector 2 trigger call velocity equals vector 2.0, and then when we enter trigger, then I need to I just need to do RV dot velocity, and the trigger velocity equals that. Perfect. And now I can give this the trigger velocity, which should happen just a moment before. And now it should work. I'm gonna change this from 2 to like, I think it was like 0.3, let's do like 0.5. Nope, not right. Rigid body is continuous. Oops. That's not right. That's right. Nope. That's right. Nope. Seems to be right like half of the time. Yeah, that's not right. Yeah. Continuous collision... continue? Yeah, it's continuous. I can't speak. But yes, it is on. Just being weird. Yeah. I mean, like, it going through the wall isn't weird, because I told it to do that, but... I just really need the velocity, like, the moment before. Like, here it's fine. Then I go under it, and then it... Yeah. Is not, is fine. I just don't know why. Hmm. I have one solution, but it'd be really, really, really bad. It's just every single, like, frame we could just store inside an array. Or a list, probably, yeah. The RB velocity. And then when we collide, we can go, like, back a couple of indexes. That would be really bad, though. Don't really think that I should create an array of vector 2s. Or a list infinitely. Ugh. Maybe you put a pin in this feature? But it's so silly! Wait. I have an idea. I'm going to do the list of vector 2s. If I keep adding and removing things from a list, how bad is that? I could just have an array. Yeah. Let's just make like a vector 2 array. And we're gonna make it like 3. We're gonna make it like 3 big. Okay? Hear me out. Last vels. Okay? Oh, oops. Equals new vector 2 3, and then okay, I'm waiting. I'm just gonna keep going. I don't know, wait, maybe raycast ahead to find the collision point? Yeah, but that involves doing a raycast every frame. How fast are raycasts? Is this gonna be faster or a raycast gonna be faster? Honestly, I have no idea. I'm gonna try the raycast first. That seems reasonable. Raycasts are fine unless you're doing them like thousands a frame. Really? Okay. Raycast hit 2D. Hit equals physics 2D dot raycast. And the new transform dot position, and then the direction it needs to be RB dot velocity dot normalized times, oh wait, that's fine. And then the distance should be like, 0.5. Then if hit dot transform does not equal null, really demonize stuff that has any implication of cost performance wise, but computers are really friggin' fast. Yeah, you know, I always try to stay away from premature optimization, but it's just so hard. Like, I know premature optimization is the root of all evil, but ugh, I just like, well, what if it's bad? What if my code runs bad? Alright, have a good night. Good night, Darth. Get some good sleep. Okay, so arraycast hit. That equals null. Then we want to get the point. I'm also going to get a private pool. Check forward equals true. And then we're going to do if check forward, then we're going to do this. If it equals null, or if it does not equal null, then we're going to set check forward to false. And then we're going to get our array velocity. We're just going to call it past velocity. Past velocity equals rb.velocity. Okay. This should work. That's promising. That's promising. The silliness. It works! Adam, you're a genius! Let's go! That's awesome. Okay. I should probably have a public float. I'm a genius? Now that's silly. I disagree, okay. Like, actually, though, you've taught me so much about Unity. You've only been around for, like, a few streams. Every single time I stream, I learn more and more. And I really appreciate that, genuinely. Picked up a few bits from you, too. I'm glad. I'm hoping they're good bits. And not, oh man, don't do that. That was horrible. Everything broke. Okay. Look. Ray, look. Ahead. Distance. I'm gonna set that here to Ray, look at distance. I didn't know the Shift F in the scene view. Yeah, I didn't until like a couple of days earlier. A couple days ago, I was trying to figure out, I think it was animation curves. I was watching like a bunch of videos on and reading a bunch of articles, and one of them, someone just zoomed in, like they focused on it, and then I looked it up, and yeah, it's Shift F. It's awesome. Okay, and where's the look ahead? Oh wait. It's on the script all the way down here. Let's get back up here, buddy. Come on. 0.5 seems to work great. What about 0.25? Should also probably set this to like 0.3 and not as crazy as it is. Come on. Oh my goodness, it totally works. This is very silly. And then... Oh, what? Oh no. Did it just collide with my trail renderer? Oh, this is just for debug. It's in my debugger. I can just get rid of it. Alright, so it works great until the velocity gets lowered. Try debug.drawLine instead. But I already have a trail render. And doesn't debug.drawLine only do that in the scene? I like being able to see it in the game view. It's nice. Okay. Well, we are getting towards the end of the stream. We're gonna try to figure out what's going on with it being like above the ground. I think it's the velocity's too low, so the offset isn't enough. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But not today. We'll figure that out Sunday at 1 p.m. PST or 4 p.m. EST. But anyways, I gotta head out, so thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic night. Alright, bye!